This is Peter. I'm out here at Kriete Truck Center, Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. I'm here looking at a 2014 HINO 268 stake bed. This is a 26,000 pound non-CDL stake bed truck. It's got 213,000 miles on it, J08E engine, an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission. There's a lift gate on the stake bed. This has gone through our service department. It's been detailed and DOT'd and ready to go. Call or text me, 920-934-0867. We can schedule a test drive appointment. We also have financing available. You can reach me on my cell phone, 920-934-0867. Have a great day.